What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to a quick update on Leverfi, previously known as RAMP, which some of you might refer to still, which I wanted to cover today. I promised to do a quick little bull run recap, but using the word bull run with Leverfi right now is a little bit outdated because we've been dropping quite significantly. Now down towards 0.25 cents. And yeah, we're just going to take a look at it, see what's going on, see what we can expect. So I did the analysis a little bit earlier when we were around here, and I actually expected this move. So it's unfortunate that I didn't upload the video then. It could have provided some value for all of you. But for now, it's what I actually thought in that analysis is, well, first of all, I didn't expect us to drop down this quickly. I expected us to hold that level at around, well, above 0.3 cents a little bit longer. But you did see that we got, after that run, I mean, the last time I did an analysis, I said that this ½ cent level was probably going to be our top, just because of the psychological power that level has. We tried to break through. To be fair, I mean, we really tried to, but wasn't enough. From there we broke, and then when we dropped down here, immediately you could see a bearish structure, right? Because we were finding resistance at this 28 EMA, the blue line, and then the red line also came in, which is the 50 EMA, and that was just too much, and we dropped down. So I actually do think this level actually has the possibility to hold for a longer period of time. And I expect it to hold for a longer period of time. But the main thing is that if we actually want to, and that's probably one of your burning questions, is if we actually want to get some sort of a bullish breakout, what would we need to do? Well, in essence, we need to break above 0.36 cents, right? So that means that I think this level right here at around 0.25 cents, again a psychological support level, I think this is going to hold and that we're going to consolidate. But to actually get another bull run or to become bullish again with Leverfi, we not only need to break the resistance level above us at 0.32 cents, which is already a strong resistance level. No, we also need to break the level above that at 0.36 cents. So, and after that, I do think we can get a bull run again, but what are the chances of actually breaking that? I think that they are very slim. I think it's way more likely that right now we'll stay on top of that 0.25 cents area, and that we then move along with the market. So if Bitcoin actually goes up to 24,000, then I think Leverfi is going up to 0.36 cents. But I don't think we'll break that. At least, I mean, we have a very small possibility again, but I don't expect that. And if Bitcoin actually starts to drop down now, I think Leverfi is going to drop down more too, where the first level really is around 0.2 cents right here. And then from there we'll see again, right? Because I think that will hold, but I also think this will hold, but I don't think it will hold if Bitcoin actually starts to drop down towards 19,000 again. So it all really depends on the market circumstances now. These moves were all based on the power Leverfi had. But now it's a little bit worse, and we're kind of dependent on the market. So that's basically my analysis on Leverfi for now. If you do have any questions about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.